52. Especially during this time of year, we love to spread the holiday cheer. Hold the door, give a smile, say a kind word. But honestly, spreading the holiday love, it can become exhausting. But let us remember that our first obligation is to our family. So if you say kind words outside, be sure to speak kindly within the house. If you teach or hold doors outside, be sure to be just as generous inside. And if you're willing to go the extra mile to show a stranger just how much you care, make sure you go that same extra mile within the house. Because our greatest opportunity to change a life, to impact someone's world, is right inside our very home with the people we live with. Thank you, Group 52. We love you and have the best week of your life.